Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of the English language one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a word that is fundamental to communication in English. That word is be. It's an A1 level word, which means it's essential for beginners, and it's a verb that means to exist or happen. The word be is one of the most important verbs in English. It's used in so many ways that it forms the backbone of the language. We use it to describe states of being, identities, locations, and actions. For example, you might say, I want to be happy, which means you want to exist in a state of happiness, or there will be a meeting at 2 p.m., meaning the meeting will happen at that time. Let's talk about some synonyms for be. Words like exist, occur, and happen share similar meanings depending on the context. For example, instead of saying, I want to be brave, you might say, I want to exist as a brave person. Another example could be, the event will happen tomorrow, instead of the event will be tomorrow. While these words are not always interchangeable, they can help you add variety to your language. Now for some antonyms. Words like cease, disappear, and vanish can contrast with be, as they suggest something stopping or no longer existing. For example, instead of saying, the project will be completed soon, you could express the opposite by saying, the project will cease if funding ends. Similarly, the light will vanish contrasts with, the light will be on. In everyday life, be is used in countless ways. It helps us introduce ourselves. I am Alex. It's part of asking about identity. Who are you? It's also essential for discussing time. The party will be at 5 p.m. You might hear it when talking about plans. What will you be doing tomorrow? Or when sharing emotions. I want to be honest with you. Let's try a few more examples. She will be at the station at noon. There should be enough food for everyone. It's great to be here with you today. These are all natural ways to use be in sentences. To wrap up, we've explored the many uses of the word be, including its definition, synonyms like exist and happen, antonyms like cease and vanish, and how it fits into everyday life. Thank you for listening to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I encourage you to create your own sentence using be and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with.
See you next time.